Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this synthetic wig. Yes, synthetic. She is cute and she is super affordable, you guys. This is the newest member to the Best Under 30. Today's hair sponsor is Tresses. They are an Amazon store. Okay, so it does have a little lace here, but I think we need to finesse it still. So let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can fully see what I'm doing. What I'm gonna do is pluck along the lace here because there is some dark strands. There's too much hair here. You know, it's taking away from it looking natural. So do you guys see already like what I mean? It looks more natural when you open up that part. Okay, so all we have to do is we're gonna spray some hairspray. And then I'm going to spray some hairspray where I put the powder. And blow dry. Now this wig is different from a lot of the cheap synthetic wigs that you see on Amazon. It has like a normal lace space. So I did cut the lace off of it, but it was like a 1-inch space, 1 or 2 inches wide. And I cut that off, so it gave a little bit, it has a little bit of lace space right here. Oh my god, you guys, all we did was pluck that part to make it a little bit deeper. Of course, you can go deeper if you want, and you can definitely wear this wig off to the side. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Look at the highlights on it. It's not shiny in real life at all. I'm not sure if it's showing up shiny on camera. Now, it is snagging a bit, but that's to be expected with synthetic wigs. But what I really like about it is the curls. The curls are really defined, and it's almost like a layered curl pattern. Super pretty. I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo. So I just spray some dry shampoo to see if it'll help at all with the tangling. This is her, you guys. You guys definitely have to check this Amazon store out. I do believe they are a new store, but this wig is super cute and you can get it within a couple days, and it is only $22, you guys. $22, that is unheard of for this. No way. I'm here for it, you guys. Look how pretty this is. And if you are my complexion or even darker, I don't want you to be afraid of this wig because the blonde pieces are very ashy. So the ashier the blonde, the better it looks on darker skin. And it's really full, you guys, really soft hair. The hair on the synthetic wig does feel pretty natural. You could definitely wear this one out. This is a wig that you can wear out and no one's gonna know. Like, they won't know that it's synthetic. No way. I'm gonna leave all the information to Pearl Tresses, the Amazon store, in the description box for you guys so you guys can check them out. $22, what are you waiting for? You should already have this in your shopping cart. So she's definitely a member of the family, so I'm so proud to bring you guys another perfect wig that is best under 30 for synthetics. I'm so happy. I am always on the search for a good synthetic wig to go in that category, you guys, and she definitely made it. My flat iron is really hot still. I had it on the highest setting, so I don't want to like burn the hair where it's unfair because it's too hot. But we are gonna take a little section. Oh. So don't do that. Did you guys see that? That was like an instant haircut. Oh my god. I was not ready for that. Like, what the flip? Oh my goodness. That was hilarious. Okay. Bring it back. Okay, you guys, so I would not recommend putting heat on this wig. I don't know if you can put heat that is much lower on this wig, but I just tried and it was a no-go. So I don't recommend putting heat, but nonetheless, it is gorgeous. Definitely recommend it, you guys. Super, super cute. Look how long it is. I'm not sure what inch this is, but I think it is this looks like 24 inches to me. But I'm here for it. Now that I put the dry shampoo on this side, it's feeling much better than this side. So, and it's also like maybe taking away some of the shine. So if you have synthetic wigs and you don't have dry shampoo, what are you doing? Go get some, because it's gonna make a huge difference. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.